Welcome to this in-depth session on mastering the SAP Easy Access menu and enhancing your productivity through powerful navigation tools and user-friendly features. In this lesson, you'll learn how to navigate SAP's structured menu tree, use transaction codes, T-codes, for fast access, organize favorites, customize views, and utilize multiple sessions and keyboard shortcuts to work more efficiently. Whether you're new to SAP or looking to sharpen your daily workflow, understanding how to get around the system quickly and accurately is one of the most important skills you can develop. With SAP used across nearly every function in the enterprise, from procurement and finance to logistics and HR, effective navigation can save time, reduce errors, and support confident decision making. Let's look at how this foundational knowledge supports operations at a global company like Pepsi. Imagine Pepsi's production scheduling team in Argentina. Every day, they need to review current stock levels, check open purchase orders, and initiate goods movements across plants. Instead of navigating through multiple SAP menu folders for each task, they've organized their most used transactions in the SAP Favorites folder. Others have set up transaction codes like MMBE for stock overview or ME23N for PO display as quick launch shortcuts. In the United States, Pepsi's finance teams make full use of customizations. They've enabled technical names to appear alongside transaction labels in their Easy Access menu, helping them match codes with task names more easily. Meanwhile, users in Europe have tailored their views to show only the menu paths they need, making SAP less cluttered and more focused. And across the organization, from line managers to analysts, employees often run multiple SAP sessions simultaneously. One session might show the stock overview, while another allows real-time updates to a production order. By using keyboard shortcuts and the command field efficiently, Pepsi employees can switch between tasks without breaking focus. This streamlined access not only enhances speed and performance, it helps Pepsi maintain operational excellence across its massive interconnected supply chain. Now think about your own SAP environment. Do you still rely on long menu navigation, or are you using transaction codes to jump straight into action? Have you customized your menu layout to reduce distractions and improve clarity? Are you making full use of your SAP Favorites folder? Let's begin this session and discover how to navigate smarter, faster, and with more confidence in SAP. After logging in, the first screen you see is the SAP Easy Access menu. This screen serves as your starting point for performing various tasks within SAP and is designed to be user-friendly, providing quick and organized access to the most essential features and functions. You can navigate SAP using the left-hand menu tree, which consists of folders or nodes. These nodes organize applications based on their business functions, such as accounting, logistics, human resources, and more. Within each folder, you'll find transactions, which are the actual tasks you can execute, such as creating orders, displaying inventory, generating reports, or performing other common business activities. Additionally, the SAP Easy Access menu contains a special Favorites folder. This area allows you to create personal shortcuts to frequently used transactions, significantly enhancing efficiency and convenience. Importantly, the SAP Easy Access menu only displays the transactions relevant to your specific role within the organization, ensuring you have easy access to the functionalities necessary for your daily tasks without overwhelming you with irrelevant information. The SAP Easy Access menu presents a structured, tree-like organization of folders, enabling you to easily locate and access applications step by step. To use the SAP Easy Access menu, simply click the small triangle next to a folder to expand it and view the transactions inside. Clicking on a transaction will open it, immediately directing you to its initial screen where you can start performing your tasks. A transaction code, often abbreviated as T code, is a short and convenient command allowing you to jump directly to a transaction without navigating through multiple menus. This saves significant time, especially when frequently accessing particular transactions. To use T codes in SAP, click inside the command field at the top of the SAP screen. Type in the T code and press enter. The system will immediately open the corresponding application, allowing you to start your task without delay. For instance, entering a specific T code can quickly open the Create Purchase Order application. Instead of navigating through folders each time, SAP also allows you to save frequently used transactions as favorites. You can conveniently access these transactions directly from your personalized favorites folder. SAP offers the flexibility to customize the Easy Access menu according to your individual preferences. To do this, click on Extras in the menu bar and select Settings. Here, you can check the Display Technical Names box, which will display T codes alongside menu items, allowing you to easily recognize transaction codes associated with each menu option. Additionally, customization options include showing or hiding the SAP logo, displaying favorites at the end of the menu, or even hiding the entire SAP Easy Access menu to exclusively display your favorites. You can further enhance your productivity by organizing your favorite transactions into specific folders. To add a transaction to your favorites, navigate through the SAP Easy Access menu to locate the frequently used transaction. Then right-click on the Favorites folder and choose Insert Transaction. The Favorites folder will now contain a direct shortcut to that transaction, enabling quick access in future use. Beyond simply entering T codes, the command field supports special commands that significantly enhance navigation efficiency. For instance, using commands like /n transaction will close the current transaction and immediately open a new one, while /o transaction will open the transaction in a separate session. Additionally, commands such as /i close the current session entirely, and entering just /o displays a convenient list of all open sessions. The command /nex logs you off SAP instantly without requiring further confirmation. While using SAP, you'll enter data into various fields. Understanding these input methods can significantly enhance your efficiency. There are different types of input fields, such as white fields, which indicate editable fields that you can input data into, and gray fields, representing read-only fields where data cannot be modified. Additionally, certain fields are marked with check marks, indicating that they are required fields. These fields must be completed before you can proceed, ensuring critical information is always provided. SAP also supports input fields with the additional assistance, such as drop-down lists and search help icons to further simplify data entry. Drop-down lists present you with predefined options, helping to prevent errors and streamline the data entry process. Clicking on the search help icon next to certain fields provides a lookup function to find valid entries quickly. To expedite data entry further, SAP supports familiar keyboard shortcuts. For example, to copy data, use Ctrl+C. To paste data, use Ctrl+V. You can also utilize shortcuts like Ctrl+X to cut data or Ctrl+Z to undo a previous action. Utilizing these shortcuts can dramatically speed up your workflow and reduce the likelihood of input errors. SAP's design allows you to operate multiple sessions simultaneously, enabling you to switch between different tasks without having to close your current activity. To open an additional SAP session, click on System in the menu bar, then select New GUI window. Each new window acts independently, allowing you to perform different tasks simultaneously. This functionality is particularly useful when referencing data from one transaction to complete another or comparing information across different modules. Managing multiple tasks concurrently through multiple sessions greatly enhances overall productivity within your SAP environment. Great job completing this detailed walkthrough of SAP Easy Access navigation and productivity tools. You've now explored how to work more efficiently by using the menu tree, transaction codes, favorites, keyboard shortcuts, personalization settings, and multiple sessions. These capabilities are more than just convenience features. They are essential tools that help streamline your daily responsibilities and boost your overall productivity in SAP. Whether you're entering transactions, comparing data, or customizing your interface, small changes in how you navigate can make a big difference in performance and user satisfaction. Let's return to our Pepsi example. Across continents and business units, SAP users at Pepsi rely on these navigation tools to keep operations running smoothly. Whether it's a plant manager in Turkey switching between inventory checks and goods issues, or an HR specialist in Nigeria adjusting employee records, the ability to access the right transaction quickly and personalize the system for their workflow saves hours each week and reduces the risk of mistakes. Favorites, technical name displays, transaction shortcuts, and multiple open sessions are not just helpful. They're how Pepsi ensures global consistency while supporting local flexibility. Now reflect on your own use of SAP. Are you taking full advantage of T codes and quick commands? Have you organized your favorites for easier access to frequent tasks? Could setting up multiple sessions help you work on several activities at once without losing your place? The power to shape your SAP experience is in your hands. By applying the navigation and personalization techniques you've learned here, you're equipping yourself to work faster, smarter, and with more confidence. Keep practicing and customizing. Every improvement enhances your SAP journey.